Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Todd and I've got a question for you today. Have you ever wondered how people break into working for different brands? I mean, maybe there's some brand that you really like, somebody you really want to shoot for, and you're trying to get noticed. Do you wonder how to do that? I'm not exactly sure I'm the perfect person to answer this question, but I can tell you that persevering and pressing forward and continuing to do the work is a big part of it. Now, recently I happened upon this Beats earbud. Now, obviously there's two of them in a set. I only have one of them, but I thought, you know, this is kind of a high-end headphone kind of company. I'm going to do some kind of commercial product shoot with this thing and do something kind of neat advertising wise. And what I'm going to do is go onto Instagram. I'm going to tag them, you know, and do something really cool and, you know, at the very least, hopefully get some attention from, you know, people that follow Beats on Instagram. So will anything come of it? I don't know. That's not really my intention as much as just trying to get my work out there. Hopefully somebody sees it. And, you know, I like to be in the studio anyway, so creating fun images, product images, it's what I do. But before I get started on that today, I have to admit something, and I hate to say this, but I have really dropped the ball with my stock photography. Christmas came along, December got busy, and I just haven't been producing stock photography the way I need to. So I've grabbed a handful of everyday generic items, and first I'm going to do some stock photography, just simple white background with these everyday items. We'll produce those first, 2 or 3 angles of each one so we get some stock footage. And then we'll dive into the Beats advertising image and we'll make a little afternoon of it here in the studio. Okay, so some very simple items on white, simple lighting. So I got the stock portion of my day covered. Now on to the Beats advertising creative shot. And I think I'm gonna do some different lighting than I normally do. So if nothing else, this project's gonna be my chance to experiment with some different things. I'm gonna do some very, well, you'll see. So I don't know if you've noticed, but on my Godox lights, my AD100 and my V1, which is right there, I've had the modeling lights on more than I normally do, which it's really convenient that we have a modeling light on it, but I've never pushed it because I've always been concerned that they were going to eat my batteries too much. But the AD100, a fan just came on. I've never heard that fan come on before. Obviously, to cool itself off, I turned the modeling light off, and it didn't stay on very long. I wanted to record it so you could hear it. And it shut off before I got the camera over there. But it'll be interesting to see how this photo shoot goes in terms of using those modeling lights a whole lot more and seeing how the batteries work. Here is my initial shot. I think I'm going to do some gels. I'm probably going to cut them off the background. So I'm not worried about what the background's doing, because we'll do something cool and funky with the background in Photoshop. But I think that's kind of neat. We'll see. We'll flip one around and do the other side so I've got it going both directions, and we'll piece them together. All right, at the moment I've got a red gel on this main light hitting the front of the earbud. I've got a blue gel on this backlight, and although my son is advising me not to mix the colors, that's where I'm at the moment. Kind of liking it. I'll play a little bit more with the gels and see where we get. Okay guys, another successful day in the studio. We got a handful of stock images that I can get back on the stock bandwagon, if you will, because I've told you this before. Stock photography is not just a matter of good images, it's a matter of quantity and continually, consistently uploading. So we've got some decent images. They're very simple, but those are the kind that sell. And we'll get those up as quickly as possible so that we can keep that algorithm going in the stock agencies. And as far as a just different experimental advertising image, I think this turned out pretty good. I'm excited about it, and we'll put it all over Instagram, tag Beats headphones, and we'll see what happens. You never know. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like the video, and if you got any questions, absolutely let me know about that. And I thank you guys for watching. As always, if you would give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Appreciate that as well. It definitely keeps me motivated to continue on and think at least a little bit I'm giving some helpful information to you guys and inspiring you. That's really my biggest motivation. I just love photography, want to motivate you guys to do it as well, and get out there, take more pictures, and take better pictures in the long run. So thanks again for watching. You guys have a great day, and I will see you very soon.